Good morning guys, good morning. Nandito na naman po tayo sa labas. Ngayon ay day off ko, Thursday morning. Naglalakad kami. Ewan ko kung nasa si David. Si David kasi namumulot ng basura. Ayun, nasa likod. So yung dalawa, syempre sila ang dahilan kung bakit tayo naglalakad. Si Pepper Spinat na doon na malayo na. Go on, Peppa. Tapos may mga basura dito. Pupulutin yan ni David. Ilalagay yan sa bag. Ko yung aking medyas na babasa na. Sana pala yung isang sapatos yung sinuot ko. Yan. Walking shoes din to, pero pang ano siya, pang summer. Yung boots na hindi pinapasok ng tubig, hindi ko sinuot. Yan, dahil autumn na, yung mga dahon na nasa baba na. Peanut, wait! Wait! Peanut! So, doon po tayo naglalakad. Dahan-dahan lang ako kasi medyo madulas yung mga dahon. Medyo madulas yung mga dahon dahil umulan, basa. Medyo maputik dito. Parang may nagtatrabaho doon. May ano, payloader ba yan? Or backhoe. Or ano bang pangalan dyan? Peanut! Peanut! Where are we going, Peanut? Come on, Peanut. I'll put you on lid. Nat, we're going this way. This way. Come on. Stay, 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 stay. I'll put you on lid. Come on. Kung saan iihi si Pepe, si Pepper, doon iihi si Peanut. Ayan. Ay. May nagtatrabaho dyan. Agoy, 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 Peanut. Oh, yeah. Mabutik. Ha? I don't know which way. I think we're going this way. Peanut, Peanut, Peanut. Peanut, Peanut. Good girl, Papa. So, dito tayo lalabas sa likod ng mga factory, okay? Papa, wait. Papa, Papa, Papa. Let's go. Come on. Oops, peanut, pepper. Peanut. Pepper. 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 Where's David? Pepper, where's David? Huh? There he is. Come on.
Doing a nice job there, lad.
Morning. This way. This way. Oh no, oh no. Oh, look at that. Just a lot of ducks. Oops. There's a lot of ducks there. Okay, thank you. Hi guys, nandito na naman po kami sa kanal. Pero dito sa kabilang bahagi ng kanal. So yan, umikot lang kami. Hindi kami naglakad sa may maputik kasi umulan. Ulan ng ulan kaya medyo maputik ngayon sa pag dyan sa ilalim ng mga kahoy. So iniwasan namin yan. Nandito na kami sa may kanal. Yan. Yan po, si Peanut ay nag-i-enjoy sa paglalakad. Morning.
Oh yeah, all right, David. And you. Still, yeah. You still living in Paddock? I am. Is it past your house? Have you? Yeah.
See you later. Bye. Take care.
Remember that?
Is he the owner of
I got number 39 or something.
the one with the rosemary?
Yes.
The one?
That's
Yeah.
right, yeah.
Morning. This way. So yan guys, maglalakad na tayo papunta doon na ano si David napakwento doon sa may-ari ng bahay na binili ni David. Yan. Medyo natagalan ang kwentuhan nila. Naiinip na nga si Pepe. Kaya kumakahit. So, ayan, makikita nyo na po ang mga dahon na dumidilaw na. Ayan. Yan, pupulutin niya ni David. Hi guys, ulit. At tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ating paglalakad yan. Evergreen. Evergreen na container. So may may nabasa ako sa ito ay isang doctor's advice kapag may mga high blood pressure, kasi ako nga nasa na ako ng high blood pressure, kailangan ang paglalakad everyday ay nakakatulong sa pag-circulate ng dugo. Ayan. Kaya ipinaporsige ko ang sarili ko na makakasama ako sa paglalakad nila David. Si David normal ang dugo dahil everyday talaga yan. Walang pinalalampas na araw. Everyday talaga yan siya naglalakad. Every morning or mga kahit tanghali na lalabas talaga yan maglalakad. Then I think 4 times a week or I think 4 times a week naglalaro yan siya ng, kung 4 times a week siya naglalaro siya ng tennis 3 times, and then once badminton pag winter. Pero pag summer, 4 times a week naglalaro siya ng tennis. Yan. Ako kasi lagi akong nasa trabaho. Tapos wala naman ako sa trabaho sa bahay, ako gumagawa ng mga gawaing bahay. Kaya minsan itinigil na kasi namin every Sunday naglalaro talaga kami ng squash or racquetball. Pero magmula nung nagka-vertigo ako, hindi muna kami naglaro kasi nahihilo ako pag bigla akong lumilingon ba, ganyan. So kaya lakad-lakad muna. Ang layo pa nila David kasi si David namumulot ng basura kahit yung nasa kita nyo. Ito pupulutin niya to, yung mga plastic na green at saka yung Sainsbury's na na plastic bag. Pulutin niya yan, ilalagay niya yan sa bag. And then pagdating namin doon sa kalsada, itatapon niya yung mga napulot niyang basura, itatapon niya doon sa mga basurahan. Yan. Matyaga yan siya maganyan. Lalo na sa lagi niyang nilalakaran. Yung ganito, tas doon sa malapit sa amin. Marami yan sila, nagtutulong-tulungan na mumulot ng basura. So every little helps. Yung iba kasi walang pakialam, yung ibang naglalakad dito. Ano ba, pag may dala silang mga inumin, tapos naubos nila yung inumin habang naglalakad, basta itatapon na lang nila yung mga bote or can. So yan si David. Where's David? Peanut. Ayan si David. Pupulotin yun yung plastic, yung green at saka yung yellow. Nakakatulong din yan kahit papano sa kalinisan dito sa footpath. Peanut, come on. Peanut, why are you eating grass? What is it? Hoy, Pepe! It's going to bury her nose. So yan, may basura doon. Naabot niya. Tapos ilalagay niya sa bag. I love the footpath. Yung may mga dahon na ganito. I love it. May mga dahon na ganyan. Yung hindi pa gaanong tuyo yung mga dahon, yung parang may kulay pa siya. Can you not reach it? There is one here. Yan. Tapos yung mga dahon, oh. Dahon doon. Naninilaw na. Yan. I love this. I really love this. Walking like this. Oh no. David. There. Tae ni peanut. Peanut get. Apo. I'm gonna put.
Oh,
Blended with the leaves.
blended in.
So yan. Malapit. Medyo malapit na tayo doon sa hagdan. Medyo malayo pa eh. Ilang ano pa. Medyo boring po yung ating lakad ngayon kasi walang ibang naglalakad, kami lang. Thursday kasi ngayon may mga pasok pa yung ibang tao. So, yung may nakita kami na boat sa kanal. Dito kami nun bumaba. Dito. And then, doon naman kami naglakad. Yung vlog ko na ang title ano ba yun? Basta parang ano ba yung nasa likod ko yung title na doon, ganon. Umiihi na naman, nakataas yung pa. So dito tayo akyat sa hagdan. Ayan. Malinis ngayon dito. So yan, dito kami pumunta ng isang araw. There's no boat. No boat today. Not a lot of boat this time, is it? Ayan, so doon kami naglakad ng isang beses na sumama ako. Kailan ba yun? Nung weekend ba yun? Sunday, I don't know. Siyan ko nung river. At dito na tayo, akit tayo. Hindi kami dumaan dito dahil masyadong maputik. Masyadong maputik dyan. So doon lang kami dumaan sa kalsada. Oops. This dog coming this way. Look at the dogs. Inat. Morning. Ah. That dog knows.
Yeah. Yeah, I know each other.
Huh?
I know each other.
Here's a box of milk. So I'm gonna be cutting this tree. 2 green beans. 48. Chop pepper. This way, Pepper. This. Hi everyone! Peanut and Pepper got a parcel. Look. Look. Peanut can smell it. She want to open it. Wait for David. He's gonna open it for you. It's a food sample for Pepper. Look, Peanut knows that it's dog food. Hala, Peanut, no, not yet. Wait for David. Wait for David. Where is David? Where is David? You have to wait for David. Okay? We're going to wait for David until he come back. Okay. Look at Pepper. She's excited as well. Peanut is very excited. What's inside the box? That's food. Yummy. What's inside of the parcel, Peanut? What's inside of the parcel? Oh, Pepper. What's inside of the parcel? Yes. What's inside of it? I think it's yummy. Yeah, it's gonna be yummy. What's that, Pepper? Hmm? What's in the box? What's in the box, Peanut? Yeah. Look at Peanut, guys. Ginagard niya yung ano. Hindi niya iniiwan yung box. That's for both of you, Pepper. Yeah, Pepper, look. You've got that box. You've got parcel. You've got a parcel. You've got a parcel. Oh. I know. I know. I know you've got a parcel. And Peanut. She's holding my hand. Peanut. Okay. Where are you going? Okay. What are you doing? Ow! Oh. Ow.
Mind your nose.
What are those, Peanut? What's that? What's that?
Don't know.
What's that? Is there an instruction?
And I think it makes a turn it into a scoop of some sort.
There should be an instruction.
I just think it makes a scoop. So you can scoop out the same quantity of biscuits.
Pepper! Peppers, look. Did you put Pepper's name?
Yeah.
Peppers is for you. Oh, what's that? Flavor.
7. So 7 in that, 7 in that. That's supposedly 2 weeks worth of food.
There's something here.
These are just biscuits.
There's no treat. Ooh, peanut. What is that? Do you want to try it? This. They like it.
It's just a free trial. Well, it's not free because it costs
Did you pay for it?
£7. You get this free trial, and then they say if you like it, they'll send you this box. Well, that's 2 weeks worth. So they send you one of these every 2 weeks. But it's £40 a month, so I'm going to just cancel it.
Ooh. Do you want to try another one? Nice. Peanut seed. Good girl. On. Steady, 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 steady. Get it. Oh no, you flick it. Here, I'll give you one. No, peanut here. Oh, you got it. Good girl. Sit. They love it. They love the biscuit. Peanut, sit. Sit. Alright, give me a paw. Good girl. Give me a paw. Good girl. Alright, I'll leave it.